are you?
At the Bahamas.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys something free to do in Nassau Bahamas. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what you can do in Freeport, Bahamas on the low, pretty much free except for your food and drinks. It is a quick 10 to 15 minute walk from the cruise port. Now when you get outside of the cruise port area, you will walk through the local areas where they have different things that they're trying to sell you. Knockoff handbags and backpacks. Also, they have some jewelry at reasonable prices, $5 bangles, and look at the horse and buggy. Yeah, this is my first time seeing a horse and buggy in Nassau. They have local food for you, and there is this place called the Straw Market. A lot of the things that are made locally, handmade locally, at reasonable prices. You can also get some fresh drinks made with coconut and pineapple there. Yeah, so you can just keep walking straight towards Senor Frog's. You have more vendors, more shops. I try to support the locals anytime I'm there. I actually stopped at this one location to get a keepsake for my niece, a little hand-woven purse. Isn't that cute? All right, so we'll continue on our stroll. It is hot out there, y'all, so I'm gonna tell y'all need to invest in some umbrella hats and personal portable fans. All right, so here we are approaching Margaritaville. Woo, that AC feels so good, y'all. Beautiful, right? This is a little pass through, so you can grab you some AC on your way to Junkanoo Beach. At the Bikini Tiki Hut, Junkanoo Beach. All right. Now, since we were here the last time, I see that they have done some upgrades.
Thank you for choosing the Tiki Bikini Hut. Please go to TripAdvisor, TikTok, comment on us, and let people know about the Tiki Bikini Hut, Junkanoo Beach.
This is Byron. He is the owner. Really nice guy. Been here about 4 or 5 times.
Okay, come on over. Check us out, Tiki Hut.
So I ordered my red snapper, macaroni and cheese, macaroni pie, rice and peas, y'all. They had food samplings. My bill for that platter and some plantanos was $70 US. But it was a lot of food. Now it is quite enough to feed 2 adults or an adult and 2 children. Okay, so it's not bad if you look at it that way. And they also have outlets where you can charge your phone. They have free Wi-Fi. They have VIP hookah area. They were doing a raffle.
And also mention the DJ.
They have a DJ that was playing all genres of music. And I'm telling y'all, this is the spot. You can see the cruise ship from there. Right here. Now, you know, on the beach, they're charging you $20 a chair and $20 for an umbrella. So if you were to get 1 umbrella and 2 chairs, that's $60, right? But if you're smart about it and you bring yourself a towel, one of these towels here, and that umbrella hat, some water, you're good. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Toodles.